In this video, I show you how to solve trigonometric equations when you are asked to find all the values of theta for your equation. These are examples on sine equations. Sine equals 7, sine equals 1, sine equals half. For all values of theta. Let's start with the first one, sine equals 7. No solutions for this one. Why? Because 7 is outside the range of sine. Look at the graph of sine. The range of sine is between 1 and minus 1. So you cannot have a sine equals 7. The next one, sine theta equals 1. Use inverse function to get your angle. The angle for sine theta equals 1 is 90 degrees. Now for all values of theta, you add multiples of the period. The period of sine or cosine is 360. So every time you add a multiple of 360 to 90, you get sine equals 1. Try it yourself. Try to calculate sine 90 plus 360 or any multiple of 360 and see how much you get. You get 1. This k is integer. What does mean integers? These are the integers. 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, etc. This means whenever you give a value as an integer, you get a multiple of 360. Okay, and these are all the values of theta for your equation. Now, the next part, sine theta equals half. Same way, sine inverse of half, you get your 30 degrees. Of course, you add 360k and k is integer to get all the values of theta. Then the second solution is 180 minus 30, which is 150. For sine, always remember, one solution you get it straight away, and then the other solution is 180 minus your first solution. Okay. Now I show you how to use a calculator to find your sine inverse. When you calculate sine inverse of 1, you get 90 degrees. I show you how to use a calculator to get this angle, 90 degrees. This is my calculator. So, very simple. You press on shift and then you press on sine. So, shift, sine. So you get your sine inverse on the display. Then press on your number, which is 1. You get sine inverse of 1. Then press equals, and you get your angle 90. And this is true for any value. For example, if you try to find sine inverse of half, sine inverse of half, which is 30 degrees, same. You do the same on your calculator. Okay, so we said shift, sine, and then half. Okay, so 1 over 2. This is sine inverse half. Then you press equals, and you get your angle, 30 degrees. Now we see cosine equations in the next part. So these are my questions. So for all values of theta, each equation, cosine theta equals minus 1.1, cosine theta equals minus 1, cosine theta equals square root of 3 over 2. The first one has no solution. Same reason as in the sine equals 7. Minus 1.1 is outside the range of cosine. Just remember the graph of cosine is between minus 1 and 1. So no solutions for this case. The next one is cosine theta equals minus 1. Cosine inverse, you get 270. Okay. So k is integer. Remember, you add 360k. 360 is the period of both sine and cosine. As we did with sine, we do with cosine. Now, it's a unique solution here. No more solution between 0 and 360, you have only one solution for for minus 1. Cosine theta equals square root of 3 over 2. You do cosine inverse, and then you get one angle 30 degrees plus 360k multiple of 360. The second angle is 330 plus 360k. How do you get 330? For cosine, you always use this one, subtract it from 360. 360 minus 30, you get 330. You need to watch my videos where I explain all this in details. Next, tangent equation. Now, here you are my examples for all values of theta. Tangent equals 3, tangent equals 0, and tangent equals minus 1. Now, for tangent equals 3, just use the inverse function and you get on your calculator 71.6 degrees. You add 180k. In this case, as you can see in tangent, we didn't add 360k. Why? Because 180 is the period of tangent and not 360. Okay, k is integer again. Now the next part is tangent theta equals 0. Same way, tangent inverse of 0, you get 0 plus 180k, which is 180k. Okay, and C, tangent theta equals minus 1, tangent inverse of minus 1, which is minus 45 plus 180k. You might ask why we don't get two solutions for tangent. The tangent function doesn't get two solutions. It's only a unique solution, and make sure you check one of my videos where I explain the unique solution. I include the tangent theta equations and explained why we get only one solution, of course in the period interval. That's it, and I hope this helps you to improve your skills in solving trigonometric equations. Thank you very much.